Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will see syntax of XML document. The syntax rules of XML are very simple and logical. The rules are easy to learn and easy to use. So let's see first syntax or first rule of XML. First rule is we must have to close tag which we have created. So let's create one tag which is paragraph and writing text. This is paragraph. Without completing this tag, I am writing another paragraph tag which displays another paragraph, and I am only completing this tag. So this is not the right syntax. We must have to complete the tag which we have started. So we must have to complete this paragraph tag. Otherwise, it is not correct syntax. Another rule is tag names are case sensitive. For example, I am writing message tag. This is message is the content of message tag, and I am completing this tag using capital M message. Then this is not the right syntax. We must have to complete the tag which have small m. This is the another rule because XML uses the W3C standard. So we must have to complete the tag in same case which we have started. So this is the second rule. And another rule is about nesting of text. For example, I am writing text in bold. This is bold. I want to also write this text in italic. So I am writing italic tag also. And I am completing first bold tag and then italic tag. So you can see this is not the proper nesting of tags. So in XML we must have to nest tags properly. So we must have to write first bold tag and then italic tag, any content in tag, and then we must have to complete the tag which is started later. So I am completing first italic tag and then bold tag. So this is the proper syntax of nesting. We must have to care about this syntax, means we must have to close the tag, we must have to write the tags with matching case because the XML is case sensitive, and we must have to nest the proper tags. So this is about XML syntax. Thank you.